Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract data from PDFs with Claude 2026. Need data from a PDF without copying everything manually? Claude can do it for you. Now PDFs often contain tables, numbers, and important information, but extracting that data manually is slow and annoying. In 2026, Claude can read PDFs and pull out exactly the data you need, whether it's text, lists, or numbers. So let's do it step by step. Let's start by the first step, which is to open Claude. You're just going to go to your browser, type in Claude in the search bar, and then you're going to open the website claude.ai. Make sure you sign in with your account, your Google account or your Claude account. And once you're logged in, you're going to open a new chat and you're going to ask Claude something like, once you finish uploading, we're going to upload the PDF. I'm going to click on the plus button. You can click on add files and browse through your computer, or you can just drag the PDF file and upload it here. Then you are going to ask Claude something like extract all the key data from this PDF or pull out the main statistics and list the important points in the table. I'm assuming this PDF has a table. If it doesn't, it will be a problem for the AI. I'm going to type in list the important points in this in the table. And we're going to click on send. You can choose the model before you do. Choose depending on your need. And you're going to click on send. And Claude AI will start generating and summarizing and analyzing the PDF. As you can see, this is the answer. It summarizes the tables in the PDF file. And you're going to review the extracted data. You can read the generated data and ask follow-up questions if needed. Now, vague prompts give messy results, so be specific, as scanned PDFs may not work well, and be specific about what data you want, and ask the Claude to format data as tables or lists. And now you know how to extract data from PDFs with Claude in 2026 like a pro. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.